Sushi. Say the word, and images flood the mind. Vibrant slices of fresh fish, glistening mounds of pearly rice, delicate seaweed wrappers. It's a dish that has transcended its Japanese origins to captivate the world. From bustling Tokyo streets to trendy New York restaurants, sushi is a culinary star. Its journey from humble origins to global icon is a story worth savoring. Today, sushi is synonymous with Japanese cuisine, a symbol of the country's dedication to freshness, precision, and artistry. Tokyo, a city that pulsates with energy, a dazzling fusion of tradition and modernity, is a sushi lover's paradise. Sushi here is an experience, a ritual. It's about the freshest catches from Tsukiji Fish Market, the dedication of master chefs, and the intimate settings where every detail matters. Step into a traditional sushi-ya, a small restaurant with counter seats. The air hums with anticipation, the quiet murmur of conversation, the rhythmic movements of the chef. It's a world away from the bustling city outside, a sanctuary of taste and tradition. In Tokyo, sushi chefs aren't just cooks. They're artists, they're restaurants, they're canvases. Jiro Ono, the world-renowned sushi master, epitomizes this dedication. His tiny 3 Michelin-starred restaurant, Sukiyabashi Jiro, is a testament to his unwavering pursuit of sushi perfection. Ono's story, immortalized in the documentary Jiro Dreams of Sushi, is a testament to the dedication and passion that define sushi masters. He's not alone. Tokyo is home to countless other legendary chefs, each with their own style, their own interpretations of tradition. There's the innovative Takashi Saito of Sushi Saito, known for his meticulous knife work and delicate shari, sushi rice, and the playful yet precise Hachiro Mitsutani of Sushi Mitsutani, whose creations are a delightful fusion of tradition and innovation. These chefs, and countless others, are the guardians of Tokyo's sushi legacy, ensuring its traditions are passed down and its future remains bright. Section 4. The Art of Sushi, Techniques Honed Over Generations. The art of sushi goes far beyond simply placing fish on rice. It's a symphony of techniques, honed over generations, each step crucial in creating the perfect bite. From the selection of ingredients to the presentation, every detail matters. The rice, the foundation of sushi, is as crucial as the fish itself. It's a delicate dance of washing, rinsing, and steaming, using specific varieties of rice and carefully balancing vinegar, sugar, and salt. The result is sherry, pearly, slightly vinegared rice that complements the delicate flavors of the fish. Then there's the fish, the star of the show. Sourcing the freshest, highest quality seafood is paramount. Chefs develop close relationships with suppliers, ensuring they receive the best catches the ocean has to offer. The fish is expertly sliced, its texture and flavor maximized through precise knife work. Section 5. Edome Sushi, a celebration of Tokyo's bounty. In Tokyo, Edome Sushi reigns supreme. This traditional style, originating in the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, when Tokyo was known as Edo, celebrates the bounty of Tokyo Bay. It emphasizes local, seasonal ingredients, showcasing the freshest catches and reflecting the changing seasons. Edome sushi chefs employ a variety of techniques to enhance the flavors of their ingredients. Some fish are lightly cured in salt or vinegar, while others are briefly marinated in soy sauce. These methods, passed down through generations, add depth and complexity to the sushi. Beyond the technical aspects, Edome sushi is about respect. Respect for the ingredients, respect for tradition, and respect for the diner. It's a culinary conversation between chef and customer, a shared experience that transcends language and culture. Section 6. Embark on your own sushi adventure. Tokyo's sushi scene is a journey of discovery, an exploration of flavors, textures, and traditions. It's an invitation to step outside your comfort zone, to embrace the unfamiliar, and to experience the true essence of Japanese cuisine. So, the next time you crave sushi, don't settle for the ordinary. Take a culinary adventure to Tokyo, immerse yourself in the world of sushi masters, savor the freshest catches, and discover the artistry that has captivated the world. Let each bite transport you to the heart of Japan. Let the flavors dance on your tongue, the textures surprise you, and the experience stay with you long after you've left the land of the rising sun. Section 7. Craving more culinary journeys. If this exploration of Tokyo's sushi scene has whetted your appetite for culinary adventures, we invite you to join us on more flavorful journeys. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest food trends, travel tips, and cultural insights. And for a limited time, we're offering a free ebook packed with our favorite sushi recipes, tips for navigating Tokyo's food scene, and exclusive interviews with renowned sushi chefs. Click the link in the description to claim your copy.